Hi, Maury Loomis here, August 26, 2025. Here's the double decker. All right, here she is. Let's take a look at the engine here. Cummins engine. Original Routemaster grill. Signage locations, LED backlit light boxes. Every single body panel has been either replaced if it was damaged too bad or repaired. All these pieces were taken off and restored. Door electrical outlet and mic hookups. 3 exterior pop open windows. These pop open so that the bartender can serve. The bar side, a little bit of dust on her. Gerard 20-foot custom awning, the best of the best. The light box sign area. Shore power hookups. Every single window is tinted. Fuel. Cockpit, brand new reupholstered seat. Dash. Headliner. Master power switch, custom plastique flooring, painted mirrors, two custom fabricated doors. This one has a complex curve on it. These are not original. The bus did not have these. They're all custom made. Generator, two-way sticky tape, the awning controller, all the LED controllers, AC breaker panel, shore power, generator, couple 12-volt fuse panels, wiring. It's a Honda 6kW liquid cooled generator. Some floor jacks. Multi-zone sound controller. TV lift. Zone controller, a remote control, and a hard DVD player, Bose sound system. "50-inch Samsung pop-up TV on a motorized stand. Backlit water jet cut signage area. Translucent. Countertop surfaces, another LED light box. You got Bose speakers. These are removable shelves for champagne bottles or glasses. These mirrors can pop out so you can see through to the driver's seat or outside. So those are removable. You have 2 compressors in here. Temperatures for your refrigerator, the juice pan and condiment rail. You have a sink and prep table. And again, these 3 windows open up on shocks. 1, 2, 3. You got the water pump switch, USB outlets. You got some AC outlets down here. Another USB outlets here. Air conditioning unit. Every single one of these step treads is custom CNC cut with glow-in-the-dark edge banding on the front. This is with the roof down. See the translucent view area. Countertops. Huge banquette with a motorized 50-inch Samsung TV in the back as well. All of these are removable here. There's storage underneath all of these seats. USB outlets here. Here you've got another multi-zone LED controller, TV controllers, motorized lift controller. And here's the controller for the hydraulic roof. These Bose speakers that are up on the lift post to keep them out of the way. Keep the music high so that you can listen to music and talk at the same time. Wow. 7'10" headroom on the inside, roughly. That's it. Solange Double Decker, August 26, 2025.